Did you know a man once talked his way out of a police stop while that same officer was actively hunting him? Richard McNair was already a legend before that day. He had escaped from 3 different prisons using 3 completely different methods. One of them involved sealing himself inside a mailbag and being carried right out of a prison factory. But nothing topped what happened in April 2006 in Louisiana. A patrol officer spotted McNair jogging near the rail yard shortly after the escape alert went out. He pulled over and started asking questions. McNair stayed calm, relaxed. He even talked about the escaped prisoner like he was just some guy passing through. The officer wished him a good day and drove off. McNair walked away free. The officer only realized the truth when he reviewed his own dashcam footage later. The video is real. You can watch it yourself. Was it luck? Nerve? Or something closer to a performance McNair had been rehearsing his whole life? Some questions the footage just cannot answer. Please like, comment, share, and follow The Mysterious Banker for more interesting stories.